Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Redmi A1 Plus. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both and clicking on the search bars. Following that, type in Send Anywhere and get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. In order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window, you can click on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by choosing OK. Finally, select Send at the bottom left corner of your Android and receive Next to Send at the bottom of Redmi. Also on Redmi, tap on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then select Close this window and go back to an Android. Finally, you can tap on all of those type of categories at the top to click on all of those dots. This way you will choose all of your files and transfer them later on. You can also just tap on the chosen ones, and whatever you do, go on by choosing Send next to selected. Then hit Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick the best connection way for you. If you want to scan this QR code, select scanning icon next to input key and tap on while using the app or only this time. Now, point your device's camera at the code and wait. You can also just input this key in input key section and connect thanks to Receive button. So when I click on it, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!